Alright, today we're going to look at how to analyze the performance, or maybe just look at the results of how the students did in our quizzes using Microsoft Forms. As you can see, I'm now in Microsoft Forms, forms.office.com, right? And I have several quizzes or forms that I have created before. We're going to have a look at this one, FDIGD001 Shapes and Colors. It's a previous quiz that I did, right? And you can see that these are the questions and these are the responses. Now, with regards to the results or how the students did in a particular quiz, Microsoft made it actually much more straightforward than Google Drive if I were to compare the two, meaning to say that these questions are here and responses here. Once you click on responses, you immediately see open in Excel, and once I click on that, immediately it will be downloaded, meaning to say that we immediately will have, as you can see on the bottom left hand corner, right, we will immediately be downloading that, and you can open it straight away. But if you want to have a look at it first, meaning if you want to locate where it is actually inside your hard disk drive, inside your computer, it should be under downloads, right? And you will see several Excel files here, one of which will be the shapes and colors. As you can see here, shapes and colors. So I'm just gonna double click on that, right, and you will immediately see the total points for each student. This makes it really easy. But if you want to look at the how they did with respect to each questions, you can actually go to the right, just and then see how they did for the respective questions. For example, if 0 means they answered incorrectly, 1 means they answered correctly, and so on and so forth. This is one of those unique quizzes. I actually followed a few of these online MOOCs, massive open online courses, where they actually let each student answer for 3 times. Not to worry, because they have to, in terms of signing in, they have to use their HealthLife account. So I'll actually know if, for example, someone attempts more than 3 times, right? And as to how would I know, is basically just sorting. So you can actually enable editing and manipulate this spreadsheet the way you manipulate an Excel spreadsheet as usual, and you can always sort this. But you might not be doing this with regards to your assessment, because I think for most of us we'll actually just be doing this for one assessment, and students can only answer once, right? So you can just see the results, and if you want to, you can sort using names, so that it can be according to alphabetical order and so on, and immediately see the total points and so on, right? So good luck.